we are looking at how to say the United States, the country. In French, we'll be looking at how to say more useful vocabulary as well, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more French. So how do you pronounce this in French? Les États-Unis? Les États-Unis. There's quite a few different things here to discuss. Les is the determinant, so it's like the United States. So that's the is the part, so it's not super interesting. Les États, État is states. You have a silent T and a silent S if you pronounce that word by itself. But because it's followed by a vowel in the word uni, meaning united, that has a silent S, you then make what we call a liaison, meaning that the S to état becomes pronounced because it's liaised, it's linked up to the vowel after it. And that actually happens between the two first words as well. So les États-Unis. Les États-Unis is how you pronounce it. I hope that makes sense. Les États-Unis is how you say the United States, or États-Unis if you don't want the determinant. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments, like this video if it was. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.